Welcome to Ultimate Car Quiz. Today we're diving into some of the most iconic pickup trucks that have shaped automotive history. From vintage classics to groundbreaking designs, these trucks are legends in their own right. Let's see how many you can name. Truck 1. Can you name this luxury pickup from the 1950s that combined style and utility? A. Chevrolet Cameo Carrier. B. Ford Ranchero. C. Dodge Sweepside. D. Studebaker Transtar. The answer is A. Chevrolet Cameo Carrier. The Cameo Carrier broke the mold with its fiberglass sides and car-like design, paving the way for today's luxury trucks. Truck 2. Which rugged 4x4 truck debuted in 1945 and became a favorite for off-road enthusiasts? A. Dodge Power Wagon. B. Ford Bronco. C. Jeep Gladiator. D. Chevrolet K10. The answer is A. Dodge Power Wagon. The Dodge Power Wagon was built tough for post-war America and remains a symbol of durability. Truck 3. What's your guess for this 1978 pickup with bold red paint, wood accents, and vertical exhaust stacks? A. Chevrolet C10. B. Ford F-150. C. Dodge Lil Red Express. D. GMC Sierra Grande. The answer is C. Dodge Lil Red Express. This muscle truck was one of the fastest vehicles of its time, thanks to a loophole in emissions regulations. Truck 4. Which compact pickup introduced in 1972 was one of the first small trucks to gain popularity in the US? A. Toyota Hilux. B. Chevrolet Love. C. Ford Courier. D. Nissan Datsun 620. The answer is B. Chevrolet Love. The Chevrolet Love combined Japanese engineering with American branding, leading the compact truck revolution. Truck 5. Can you name this post-war pickup with rounded fenders and a distinctive step-side bed? A. Chevrolet 3100. B. Dodge Sweepline. C. Ford F1. D. GMC New Design. The answer is A. Chevrolet 3100. A true icon of the 1940s, the Chevrolet 3100 is still a favorite among collectors for its timeless design. Truck 6. Which classic American truck became a symbol of durability and was introduced in 1948? A. Chevrolet 3100. B. Ford F-Series. C. GMC 100. D. Dodge Power Wagon. The answer is B. Ford F-Series. The Ford F-Series quickly became one of the most popular trucks in America and continues to dominate the market today. Truck 7. What's your guess for this rugged off-road truck from the 1980s? A. Jeep Comanche. B. Chevrolet Blazer. C. Toyota Pickup. D. Ford Bronco 2. The answer is A. Jeep Comanche. The Jeep Comanche was known for its rugged off-road capability, a perfect fit for Jeep's brand of adventure. Truck 8. Which 1960s pickup became synonymous with American muscle trucks? A. Dodge Dakota. B. Chevrolet El Camino. C. Ford F-100. D. GMC Sierra. The answer is B. Chevrolet El Camino. The El Camino merged the practicality of a pickup with the performance of a muscle car, earning a place in automotive history. Truck 9. Can you identify this iconic four-door pickup that debuted in 1993? A. Toyota Tacoma. B. Chevrolet Silverado. C. Nissan Frontier. D. Dodge Ram 1500. The answer is D. Dodge Ram 1500. The 1993 Dodge Ram 1500 set the bar for modern trucks, introducing the aggressive styling that defined the 90s truck craze. Truck 10. Which legendary truck was introduced in 1967 with a sleek new look and better handling? A. Ford Ranger. B. Chevrolet C10. C. GMC Sierra 1500. D. Dodge D100. The answer is B. Chevrolet C10. The Chevrolet C10 from the late 60s is a favorite for restorations, with its perfect blend of performance and style. Truck 11. What's your pick for this pioneering hybrid truck introduced in 2004? A. Chevrolet Silverado Hybrid. B. Toyota Tundra Hybrid. C. Ford F-150 Power Boost. D. Honda Ridgeline. The answer is A. Chevrolet Silverado Hybrid. The Silverado Hybrid was one of the first full-size hybrid trucks on the market, leading the way for future fuel-efficient pickups. Truck 12. Which luxury pickup, first introduced in 1998, redefined the premium truck market? A. Ford F-250 King Ranch. B. Dodge Ram 1500 Laramie. C. Toyota Tundra Platinum. D. GMC Sierra Denali. The answer is D. GMC Sierra Denali. The Sierra Denali set a new standard for luxury pickups, offering high-end features and powerful performance. Truck 13. Which vintage truck, produced in the 1930s, is considered one of the most collectible pre-war pickups? A. Chevrolet 1 to 2 ton. B. Ford Model 50. C. Dodge Brothers Pickup. D. GMC Series 100. The answer is A. Chevrolet 1 to 2 ton. The Chevrolet 1 to 2 ton is a rare gem for collectors, known for its classic lines and vintage appeal. Truck 14. Can you name this groundbreaking electric truck introduced in 2021? A. Rivian R1T. B. Tesla Cybertruck. C. Ford F-150 Lightning. D. Lordstown Endurance. The answer is A. Rivian R1T. The Rivian R1T marked the beginning of electric trucks with off-road capability and an innovative design. Truck 15. Which classic pickup, known for its wide fenders and chrome accents, was a favorite among enthusiasts in the 1950s? A. Chevrolet Apache. B. Dodge Power Wagon. C. Ford F-100. D. GMC Suburban. The answer is A. Chevrolet Apache. The Chevrolet Apache was a standout in the 1950s for its stylish design and rugged capability. Truck 16. What's your guess for this iconic muscle truck that debuted in 1991? A. Ford Lightning. B. Dodge Ram SRT-10. C. Chevrolet Silverado SS. D. GMC Cyclone. The answer is D. GMC Cyclone. The GMC Cyclone was a performance pickup that surprised the world with its sports car-like speed and handling. Truck 17. Can you name this iconic truck from 1959 that was known for its bold design and long hood? A. Ford F-100. B. Chevrolet Fleetside. C. Dodge D100. D. GMC 100 Series. The answer is B. Chevrolet Fleetside. The Fleetside's smooth lines and distinctive design made it one of the most stylish pickups of the era. Truck 18. Which famous off-road truck was designed for military use in the 1980s and became a civilian favorite? A. Ford Bronco. B. Jeep Wrangler. C. Hummer H1. D. Toyota Land Cruiser. The answer is C. Hummer H1. The Hummer H1 brought military-grade off-road ability to civilians, gaining a cult following for its rugged toughness. Truck 19. What's your pick for this powerful and luxurious truck introduced in 2003? A. Toyota Tundra. B. Ford F-250 Super Duty. C. GMC Sierra 2500. D. Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD. The answer is B. Ford F-250 Super Duty. The Ford F-250 Super Duty was designed for tough work, offering heavy-duty performance with luxury features. Truck 20. Which classic pickup truck from the 1970s became a favorite for its sturdy build and rugged look? A. Ford F-150. B. Chevrolet K5 Blazer. C. Dodge Ram Charger. D. GMC Jimmy. The answer is A. Ford F-150. The Ford F-150 from the 70s is known for its solid construction and is still a favorite among collectors today. Truck 21. Can you identify this luxury pickup that redefined comfort and performance in the early 2000s? A. Ford F-150 Platinum. B. Chevrolet Silverado. C. Ram 1500 Laramie Longhorn. D. Toyota Tundra Limited. The answer is C. Ram 1500 Laramie Longhorn. The Ram 1500 Laramie Longhorn combined high-end features with rugged performance, appealing to those who wanted luxury and power. Truck 22. Which popular full-size truck was introduced in 1973 with a new, sleeker design? A. Chevrolet CK Series. B. Ford F-100. C. GMC Sierra. D. Dodge D-Series. The answer is A. Chevrolet CK Series. The Chevrolet CK Series set the standard for full-size trucks in the 70s with its modern design and improved capabilities. Truck 23. What's your guess for this compact pickup? A. Honda Ridgeline. B. Toyota Tacoma. C. Nissan Frontier. D. Chevrolet Colorado. The answer is A. Honda Ridgeline. The Honda Ridgeline was unique for its unibody construction, making it more car-like and versatile than traditional trucks. Truck 24. Which vintage truck is known for its rugged simplicity and was a staple during World War II? A. Ford GPW. B. Dodge WC. C. Chevrolet G506. D. GMC CCKW. The answer is B. Dodge WC. The Dodge WC series trucks were essential to the military effort during World War II, known for their durability and off-road capability. Truck 25. What's your pick for this modern, eco-friendly pickup truck that debuted in 2021? A. Rivian R1T. B. Tesla Cybertruck. C. Ford F-150 Lightning. D. GMC Hummer EV. The answer is C. Ford F-150 Lightning. The Ford F-150 Lightning marks the beginning of the electric era for America's most popular truck, combining performance with sustainability. That's a wrap for this episode of Ultimate Car Quiz. How many of these legendary pickup trucks did you recognize? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more car trivia and quizzes. Until next time, keep on trucking.